I'd probably take her.
Seth got the waves.
Pipe that shit on TNT.
Check me out. I was gonna start a YouTube tutorial, right? And I'm sitting right down there, sitting right there. And that was the last clip y'all just seen. I just ran so fast from over there. So I'm gonna start this tutorial, I'm gonna start this YouTube right here. Man, I heard something like, but YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Gifted in the building. What's happening? What's happening? Today's video is a simple clipper review. It's other brands like this clipper, but the clipper that I'm about to show you guys is only $40. $40, and this clipper is a hitter. I'm gonna try to compare the clipper to my Wahl Magic clips or my Wahl Senior, and those are basically the best clippers on the market. So let's see what it do. Let's go. So my clipper just came in, baby. Let's go. All right, so look, check it. It's gonna be a quick review. I'm gonna show y'all basically what the clipper looks like, the pros and cons to the clipper. Look, we got the Kimi. Found this clipper on Amazon. Let's get straight to it. I'm gonna open it up. So what we got right here, we got the clipper. Then we got charger set. We got some guards. Alright, cool. So go straight into this clipper. This is basically how the clipper comes. So as you see, this bad boy is nice. If y'all seen the gold Babyliss trimmer, it almost looks exactly like it. What I like is that it got the notches on the sides, so you can actually hear it. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't weigh like a ton. Man. Strong motor. That's a plus. It's pretty light. I like that. You can hear the clicks. So, I mean, that's a couple pros. And I don't know too many cons right now. It's nice and quiet. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna compare this clipper basically to let's go with the Magic clip. My Magic clip is my baby. This is my go-to. This clipper runs you about 55, 60 bucks. Got this clipper about 2 years ago and it's still running on me, so it's a good clipper. The weight on it, I say the Magic clip is a lot lighter. Like this is, I don't know if, yeah, this clipper isn't heavy, but I'm just saying the Wahl Magic clip is a lot lighter. So they're both cordless. I like that. I don't like that corded junk, and you're trying to cut hair or you trying to get an angle and you got wires. Yeah, so I like the benefits of cordless clippers. I like how this one feels. Let's go back to my other Magic since that one is dead. So this is the same Magic clip. That one's dead too. Alrighty. As you see, it was a busy day today. So I got the cordless Senior. It's almost my most powerful clipper. It's a little more powerful than the Wahl Magic Clip. I'm gonna say the Cordless Senior is a bit louder than the Kimi. So the weight wise, Senior got them. Sound, Senior got it. Why should I say the Kimi got it? Because, you know, this is much louder. Alright, so blade wise, I mean, I love both blades, but I love how this Kimi comes with a fade blade. Do you see how it's almost straight up? This is a dope clipper, man. Can't wait to try it. I didn't get to cut with it, but compared to my Cordless Senior, man, I'm gonna have to pick these up tomorrow. I'm gonna use these for my first cut tomorrow. So real quick, I heard you can zero gap them. So if you wanted to zero gap them, I'm not gonna zero gap them. I have 2 clippers already zero gap. I don't need these hitting all the way to the teeth. That's basically what it is. You bring that bottom blade, cutting blade, all the way, you match it to the back standard blade. So basically, if I wanted to do a zero gap, I would easily just unscrew these screws, and it's easy. I will basically just slide the blade a tad bit down. That's all. Unscrew them. You don't want to take them all out. Just unscrew them and slide this outside blade a tad bit down so that blade can be even with that blade. Do you see it? But as I said, I'm good on zero gapping them. So I don't even want these clippers zero gap. If you a self cutter or you a waver and you looking for some clippers to grab, I say try these bad boys out. Try these bad boys out. They definitely strong. As you see, the motor isn't gonna snag on you. So no matter if you got a long woof and you cutting down, it's still gonna cut through your woof. You can tell by the motor alone that it got a strong motor because my finger isn't stopping that blade. You know what I'm saying? So, man, this actually might turn out to be, I think this clipper right here is gonna take over soon. And if not soon, it's definitely gonna be in my starting 5. I'm starting off with this clipper tomorrow. If you guys want me to do a tutorial using this clipper, drop a comment. Tell me you want to see me use these clippers, and I'm really gonna make a whole video, a whole tutorial on how they cut. Right now, I'm gonna give y'all a brief side by side of how the Magic Clips and my Gold FXs, how they almost look similar, but you know, I'm gonna give you a nice side by side. If you're looking for a clipper, a self-cutting clipper, a cheap clipper, I think this is exactly what you're looking for. If you're a self-cutter and you're just looking for a regular clipper, nothing too fancy, go with the Kimi. I'm gonna drop the link in the description, and I hope y'all like this review, man. Let's go.
Affiliates, y'all niggas is doing y'all thing, man. Keep grinding, bro. Y'all niggas posting up, y'all doing what y'all supposed to do. That's what's up. and don't nobody say nothing to y'all niggas.
It's kinda hard trying to move in these wavy streets without offending some niggas and attracting some heat. But we just brushing, my nigga. No discussion, my nigga. Bristles banging so hard, it's like percussion, my nigga. Chasing perfection, lining up the connections and representing for the affiliates in my section. It's a lifestyle, and we do it to death. Dedicated like my nigga Jerron GB and left and niggas talking down. Coming with they excuses, saying we doing too much, like Kyron and Glenn Lewis, but it's all good. We do what y'all wish y'all could with them Torino pros, Lauren Brussels and all wood. With that OVD rag wrapped around my pattern, my fluffy puffs got me shining like the rings of Saturn. And his hater reckless eyeballing me matter the motherfucker, cause I got his girl lit like a lantern. See, that's what we do. Affiliates, that's our crew. Big Man T, Alabama hitter, thought y'all knew. It's been demonstrated. Niggas surely gon' play a hated, but we elevated. Next level shit, affiliated. You know what I'm talking about? It is just what it is, baby. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no hate to nobody, you know what I'm saying? We out here, everybody won't smoke, but we just moving, we navigating, we busting a pattern, you know what I'm saying? Agitating the gravel, trying to put some paint where it ain't. You know what I'm talking about? Shout out to WRL, shout out to ES, shout out to BC the Click, shout out to Natural Elites, baby.